Look, this technology has been covered before. We've talked about air taxis, unmanned aerial vehicles, electric jets, and similar types of flying craft in previous videos. But the latest prototype from German aerospace designer Volocopter could present the most practical application for those who can afford it. The VoloConnect is designed to take 4 passengers up to 64 miles using an electrically powered hybrid lift and push design. The craft uses 6 electric motors and rotors, as well as a pair of propulsion fans in reaching speeds of up to 111 miles per hour. While still a prototype, VoloConnect will look to use vertical takeoff and landing, or VTOL technology. The thought is that the ability to hover, take off, and land vertically would allow for smoother and safer navigation in city settings, as well as being able to land and take off in tighter spaces, or without a landing strip. The company appears to be confident in their approach. While they admit that commercial flights are still targeted for 2024, last year, Volocopter started taking reservations for its services, with 10% of the $365 flights needed up front. These Virgin expeditions will be 15-minute flights at a yet-to-be-determined location. According to the company, the first flight will probably take place in Singapore. I'm David Manti. This is IAN Now.